Jecheon, South Korea, a fire killed over 29 people, injured 37 people, and caused property damage of over 2 billion won. If the fire detection and transmission was 5 minutes earlier, there would have been 0 casualties, injuries, and only minor damage. The initial 5 minutes is crucial when a fire breaks out. Within those 5 minutes, it can mean the difference between major disaster and minor damage. If fire detection and propagation is done quickly and correctly within those 5 minutes, it can drastically reduce the fire damage that is done. Let's take a look at the problems with the current fire detection system. It takes a long time for that manager to recognize, confirm, disseminate, and report that fire. In the case of large buildings, it's hard to identify the exact ignition point in the case of fire. Old detection systems are difficult to check for a failure. With some wired facilities, a signal line may short circuit in the case of fire too. Wire detection systems cost a lot of money and time in maintenance and renovation. SmartCall, a smart fire monitoring system. SmartCall consists of separate wireless sensors, a repeater, and a main server. When a fire occurs, SmartCall will notify accurately and in real time the fire station, building manager, and owner of that building, reducing response time to 5 minutes earlier in the fire. If a fire occurs, it's possible to extinguish the fire in its early beginnings without delay. As well, it's possible to effectively reduce fire damage, as well as simultaneously stop the spread to related parties. It is easy to manage and check the status of the fire detection system. It is easy to monitor the presence of an installed fire detector in a building on your mobile phone app. It is easy to install the detector systems. You can easily install the wireless detectors, repeater, and main server without internal or external work.
첨단 IoT 화재 재난 모니터링 시스템.
SmartCall, an integrated internet technology that notifies people of fire alarms quickly and accurately, 5 minutes faster than conventional fire monitoring systems. SmartCall protects your life and property from fires.
여러분들의 소중한 생명과 재산을 지켜드릴 것입니다.
You're safe from fire because there's a SmartCall.